And thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. I'm going to present the digital platform. I'm Sophie Turlur-Chabanon. I'm IT project leader at Akkodis Research in France, and my team and I were in charge of designing and developing the Rotate platform. So to start with, so you may know that in the mining and query sector, digitalization is still a challenge to overcome. Up to now, there is some digital solution under development, but during the project, we identified that specific advanced software modules for environmental management of mine and quarries are now needed. It's the reason why during 4 years of the project, we are designing and developing an innovative environmental management platform to manage and automatically deliver management decision support and recommendation for a sustainable mining and quarry operation. This is the homepage of this digital platform. What is important? The Rotate platform is an evolutive multi-modular environmental management system based on the independence of each module. During the project, we have developed 6 functional modules. 4 are fully developed in the platform, 2 are external applications which have been embedded into the Rotate platform solution. The 6 modules are for the module 1 is process and environmental assessment, the module 2 multi-criteria decision making, module 3 energy efficiency module, module 4 biodiversity module, module 5 risk assessment, module 6 emission estimation. All these modules will be developed in following presentation by module leaders. Now I'm going to present a short video of the Rotate platform with a screenshot extracted of the developed digital platform. The sound. I have to.
Coordinated by ANEFA. The platform has been led by Akkodis. The R8 monitoring and management platform is a web-based application facilitating ease of use, such as implementation of new users and/or modules. The aim of the first module is to enable collaboration among mining stakeholders to reduce the environmental footprint, from critical raw materials production through mass balancing, life cycle assessment, and process and environmental monitoring. The aim of the second module is to facilitate decision-making by integrating several IT tools and indicators tailored to different user needs. The aim of the third module is to improve energy efficiency in quarrying and mining operations. The aim of the fourth module is to improve biodiversity and ecosystem services management and restoration through a unified framework. The aim of the fifth module is to assess and manage environmental and health risks in quarrying and mining sites using tiered analysis and specific site models. The aim of the sixth module is to track direct emissions from main operations. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please contact us for further information.
So now, how this digital platform works. The digital platform is a web application with open source code, with a secure access management based on Kcloak, a front side for forms and a back side for calculations. The front-end application is built under the micro front-end architecture and based on Angular, NPM, and Node. And the back-end application is based on the Spring Boot framework and uses PostgreSQL as its storage system and API for communication. API are basically used for the two external applications embedded in the Rotate platform. Here is a schema of this Rotate platform. So you have a web application with access management based on Kcloak, front-end forms, micro and architecture, Angular, and PMN Node, and backend calculations, Spring Boot framework, PostgreSQL, and APIs. For authentication, we use Kcloak. Why? Because it's used as an open source IAM for identify and access management. Kcloak ensures that the right people and job roles in the organization can access the tools they need to do their jobs. And Kcloak is above all a standard-based and mature open source solution configured in the case of the Rotate platform to manage 4 types of users. We have the first user is a platform administrator that is in charge of collecting requirements and designing and developing all the IT platform. You have the module administrator, the module leaders who is in charge of defining functional needs and testing all development made by the platform administrator. You have the mining and query end user who is in charge of filling exploitation data. And you have the mining and query manager who is in charge of entering, control, and exploiting data. One main property of this platform that during the project, 3 modules leaders asked us to use near real-time meteorological data. We did a benchmark of different solutions, and we chose an open source solution, which is based on Wikio. Wikio is a cloud-based platform called DIAS for Data and Information Access Service. This solution is based on Sentinel and Copernicus services on environmental data, and its purpose is to provide harmonized and easy access to this meteorological data. The advantage of this solution is to prevent users from entering data manually. And in case of the Rotate platform, necessary datasets are downloaded on demand by date and period site localization. These datasets are wind speed, temperature, rainfall, and irradiance. Here you have the interface of this Wikio interface. In case of the Lafarge site, we choose 2026 year a month, and you have the 4 types for precipitation, temperature, wind, and irradiation. And we have all figures for different slot of time. Impact and benefits of this platform. We decided to develop this platform as a web application with open source code to motivate all users to adopt this platform, and mainly the end user with low digital experience. The Rotate platform is one simple tool with unified interface and an architecture based on standardized, open, and scalable technology that facilitate data analysis over long exploitation periods. It is easy to compare different years of data in the platform. The platform is implementation of evolution. We can easily add a new user and or a new module, ensure interoperability with other digital tools, as already shown with the 2 external applications, and ensure applicability. During the last, in April, we made a demonstration of this platform to all 5 pilot sites. And we have also written a MOU document for an agreement with all stakeholders, and to keep the platform open at least during 6 months after the end of the project. That's all.